Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. So today's video is going to be a try on slash a quick little haul. I recently took a trip to HEB, and if you guys don't know what that is, because I think it's only like a Texas thing, maybe some other states have it. I know back when I used to live in Utah, we did not have an HEB, but HEB is just like a local grocery store. Think of it as like a small Walmart. But they have a lot of makeup, and they also have brands that I personally haven't seen at like Ulta, Sephora, or like Walmart or Target. So I picked up a few things, not a lot because they didn't have a lot of things that really caught my eye. Oh, the bag ripped. But I really wanted to try them on camera with you guys to kind of like show love to some new brands. So I hope you guys enjoy this type of content. If you do, definitely subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. And with that said, you already know, grab your cafecito and let's jump right into today's video. Alright you guys, so let me show you what I got really quickly and then we're just going to try it on. As you can see, I already have my foundation on. I have my brows done because I didn't buy a foundation or any brow products. I really am a creature of habit when it comes to my brows because I'm very picky about it. But I did pick up a few things. So I have seen and have been eyeing this brand for some time. This is a brand called Moira. This is the You, I Desire, Destiny Eye, and Face palettes. It really caught my attention because first of all, the packaging was pretty cute, and then when I was able to open it, I saw that it came with highlighters, a bronzer, and a blush, and the mattes in here look absolutely stunning. So I definitely wanted to try this out and see how it worked. I see my friend Tatanisha here on YouTube use this brand a lot, and she never complains about the formula. So I'm really excited to try this brand, and hopefully it's a new brand that I discover and own and add into my collection. Totally off topic, but I recently got this perfume in the mail, so I kind of want to grab some inspiration from this perfume bottle and then maybe create a look. This is the Skylar Clean Beauty Fall Cashmere perfume. You guys, this smells just like fall. If you're still looking for like a fall winter scent, this one smells delicious. It is a clean vegan brand, so you don't have to worry about any like toxic chemicals in here, and it smells so delicious. I literally spray this on myself every time I'm out the door. I will also spray it in my room just so I can get that whiff of fall whenever I come in. It just smells so delicious. I seriously hope you guys check this out, or if you ever see it, smell it and let me know what you think. But besides that, I also saw the brand, let's see, se llama the Creme Shop. I know that this is a brand that you can find at Target, but I haven't seen it at my local Target, and if they do, they have a very small selection. So this is the Cream Blush Balm with hydrating and soothing aloe vera. It's ultra pigmented, long lasting, and it easily blends. This is a brand that was made in Korea, so I don't know if it's like an all Korean brand, but this is in this shade Teddy Bear, and they had other colors, but this is the one that really caught my attention the most. So that is what it looks like. It's super cute. The packaging was just too pretty to pass up. I also got a finishing powder by Moira, and this one is in the shade Banana. So I'm really excited to test this out. Look at that. That's what it looks like. Really nice, and it looks creamy. What else did I get? I got a lip liner by Moira. This one is in the shade Sandy Brown. You guys know I have a million brown lip liners, but to me they're all different. And then I also picked up some lashes by the same brand, Moira. This is called Sunday Morning. That is the lash style, super duper pretty. I also picked up a highlighter from the brand Makeup Revolution. This one really reminded me of a highlight by what's the name of the brand? I'm thinking Laura Mercier. Do you guys know which one I'm talking about? Where it has this like silky looking pattern. So pick this one up in the shade Just My Type. I know that this is a brand you can find at Ulta. I also spotted a new collection by Wet n Wild, which I do have a reel posted on my Instagram if you guys want to see a quick little recap. But this is the new collection by Wet n Wild. It's called Monday Feels, and they have kind of two like separate collections. Again, check out my Instagram. But this one just really caught my attention. It's a blush, and it's called just Monday Feels. So I am so excited. It's a really pretty mauvey pink. And then I also picked up the Moira liquid lipstick in the shade Nude, which is this one. Last but not least, from the Creme Shop, I picked up a concealer in the shade Medium 10, which is this one right here. So we're going to start off with the concealer since I already have my foundation. Now this one, I think it claims to be like a full coverage concealer. And I am going to go ahead and apply a generous amount. It looks really not runny, but it's definitely not like a thick formula. I'm going to let it sit on the skin for a few seconds while I go get a beauty blender wet. And I'm going to take a sip of my water. It blends out really nice, but it's definitely not full coverage. I would say it's like light to buildable medium coverage, which is definitely not for me. There's the concealer. Definitely not my favorite. It's creasing really bad. It is super lightweight on the skin though, so you can hardly feel it, which is nice. It's not thick. It's not really creamy. Like I said, it's a little bit more on the watery side. I'm going to go ahead and use this Moira Lavish Pressed Finishing Powder in the shade Banana. And we're going to go ahead and set. I have high expectations for this. Yeah, that sets really badly into my wrinkles. And then I'm going to tap the nose while I'm at it. Wow, this powder makes your skin look super silky. Like even though that concealer did not work, like my skin feels like silk. Definitely a new favorite. Wow, I really like that. They also have other shades. I will have them linked down below in case you don't live in a place where they offer or they have HEB. I'm pretty sure you can buy them online. So let's go ahead and open this cream blush, which is such a pain in the butt, and let's try it on, see how we like it. I'm gonna use this little. Oh, that's so pretty. That is such a pretty color. Honestly, they were sold out of like pretty much every other shade. So I just went with this one. And Moira also had some cream blushes, but I just wanted to, well, I kind of like picked this one over the Moira blush because the packaging sold me more on this. It's really pretty. By the way, my skin looks so bad today. I used a new primer and no me gustó. It made my pores look huge. Let me go ahead and apply a little bit of bronzer. I'm going to use this as a bronzer, even though it might not even show up on my skin because it's a little light. It might not even be a bronzer, it might be a blush. Okay, I don't think that's going to work for me. So let me grab a bronzer and I'll be right back. Let's go in with the Monday's Feel Wet n Wild's blush. That is so pretty. It is such a pretty mauvey pink. I'm just going to use that to set it. Oh, that is so pretty. Okay, so far I love the cream blush and the new blush from Wet n Wild. This is limited edition BTW in case you guys are wanting to try it out. But my favorite thing so far has to be the Moira setting powder. So let's move on to highlights. Again, we have the Makeup Revolution highlighter reloaded in the shade Just My Type. I'm going to take a regular highlighting brush. I knew that was going to be super pigmented. This one also comes in different shades. They have a really icy white, almost like a champagne shade, and then they have a more deep golden. It has some undertones and I couldn't really tell, but that one seems like it probably would have been a little too deep for my skin tone. So this one is a little on the light side, but I don't hate it. Not mad at it, but I could have maybe gone with something in between the shade that they had and then this one, but they didn't have it. let's go ahead and move on. I am ready to apply some eyeshadow, so let me prep the lids. Let's go ahead and jump into the palette. So again, I'm going to take inspiration from this little perfume that I've just been obsessed with. So let's see, let's swatch the brown really quick. Oh, that is so pretty. So I think I want to take this one right here, like the deepest one at the top, which is going to be Amore. These are super silky and creamy. They feel really nice on the skin. Or on the lid, I guess I should say. I'm going to take the red, this one right here. These are so pigmented, you guys. Like even the red, I feel like red is usually a color that is really hard to show up true as color without having like either pink undertones or having like maroon undertones, and this is like a true red. It is so pretty, and I'm just going to use this in the crease, like look at that, to help me blend the red or the brown. Just laying it on here, and then I'm going to go in with a little bit of that orange and the yellow, both of those, and those I'm going to use to blend out everything else. I'm going to do the same step to the lower lash line, starting off with the brown and then just using the orange and the yellow, and then I'm going to add a little bit of a cream color to the waterline. I don't really want to do black or brown, but you can totally do that, and I think this look would be perfect for Thanksgiving. I went ahead and applied mascara. I am going to open the lashes. These were, I think, $7, so pretty inexpensive. And honestly, they just look so pretty. They had other styles, but this one was the one that caught my attention the most. And let me measure them to my eyes. I usually don't have to cut the band because I have such big eyes. These are a little bit long, so let me cut them. These lashes are so pretty too. Ooh. Let's move on to the lips. I'm going to take my lip liner, and again, both of these products are from Moira, and this is in the shade Sandy Brown. So let's go ahead and line the lips. Ooh, very creamy. And now let's go in with the liquid lipstick. This one is just called Nude. Oh, that is so pretty. Very liquidy, which is not really like my favorite formula. I like it to be a little more like velvety. I actually really like this lip combo. It's not like my typical nude. It's just a little softer. I think it goes perfectly with this eye look. So what do you guys think? Honestly, I am living for pretty much everything. So quick little rundown. If you guys haven't tried Moira, you're sleeping on it. I've been sleeping on it, but I am woke. So I really like this. The formula is amazing. I ended up using the highlight at the top for my inner corner highlight, and it looks so pretty. Wow, I am shook. I bet that the ¿cómo se llaman? The shimmer eyeshadows are gonna be bomb because the matte ones are incredible, you guys. Definitely love the setting powder. It is so pretty. It's silky, makes the skin look great. Love the liquid lipstick as well as the lip liner. The lashes are definitely my favorite. I'm gonna have to pick up another style and another pair of these because these are so pretty. Love the highlight from Makeup Revolution. Super like icy and very like bright and in your face. I could go without this. This is not a product that I really see myself using again. But the Creme Shop blush is really pretty, as well as the Wet n Wild. So that is the final look. What do you guys think? Let me know if you have tried any of these products. If you are familiar with Moira, tell me your thoughts on this brand. I would love to chat with you in the comment section down below. That is it for me, you guys. I'm going to take the rest of the day off, enjoy it with my kids, go to the park, take in some vitamin D, and I will see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye.